Chicago and New York auto shows coming up in the following couple of months, I needed to take a couple of minutes to examine the vehicle that I expectation will be worked by FCA, and in the event that it is assembled, the vehicle I will purchase. It is the Dodge Charger Demon. I trust there's a superior than 75% possibility that FCA will manufacture a Dodge Charger Demon for a few reasons. To begin with, FCA needs a comment as superior to every other person. Second, it won't cost that much to fabricate one, and third, clients need it. Portage is turning out with the Mustang GT500 and will likely have 740 to 780 horsepower and will be 600 pounds lighter than the Challenger. That is notwithstanding including the Evo Quick 10-speed program. I trust that the GT500 will be quicker and a 1/4 than a stock 707 Hellcat Challenger and Charger. The last reason I figure Dodge will manufacture the Dodge Charger Demon is on account of their most genuine clients need it. They will take off the parcels in ways the Chargers haven't done previously. I genuinely trust that the Dodge Charger Demon is discharged at the NY Auto Pier. It's excessively near the Chicago Auto Pier for Dodge to discharge it, given that it's 1 week from now.